So as you can see, I have a pile of disks and multiple computers, and the cat. Just had to order a Firewire 400 cord because the disk drive on the iBook does not work. It will not boot from USB, and that includes the external hard drive that I just bought. So, the only two other options I have are one, Firewire to another Mac, and then target disk mode, which I hope works, or replace the CD drive in the iBook. Okay, I chose the easier one because I looked up how to replace the CD drive on the iBook, and even though I found one for I think like $12 to replace it, no, it looks, it doesn't look that fun. It's not a simple task. So now I'm gonna try target disk mode and see if I can figure out how to share this MacBook's CD drive with the iBook and get Tiger installed. So let's get to it. The Firewire cord here going into the MacBook, and I cannot believe this, but it finally freaking worked. When I press option and I refresh and refresh, it finally came up. So I put the black MacBook in target mode, target disk mode. This one is using its disk drive because apparently that's the only way to work. Let's try. Oh my god. I hear the disc. I hear the disc on this one going. I see an Apple logo instead of the Happy Mac. I'm trying not to get my hopes up. Oh, I see a spinning wheel. Seriously, the best thing ever to see. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Please stop. Just no. Okay, let's go ahead and use the English. I'm gonna guess this is gonna take another little while. I'm just so F-word excited. Oh, look at that beautifulness. Welcome to the Mac OS X installer. To install Mac OS X, click continue and then follow the on-screen instructions. Oh my god. Oh, it is beautiful. I agree. Oh, you cannot install on this volume without changing your install settings. Okay, well I need to delete this drive anyway. So let's go to our utilities. We'll go to a disk utility. So this is only a 10 gigabyte drive. Wow. Man. I'm gonna hope that it actually will install on this. Oh, look at even the beach ball is there. Oh, I've never loved the beach ball until now. Okay. Okay. So, this one is the one I need to do something with. Okay, so let me go ahead and just erase it. All right. Okay. So we'll just say Macintosh. Ian can't spell. Macintosh HD and erase. Erasing disk. Alright. That's insane. Only 9.4 gigs. I have flash drives bigger than this hard drive. So one thing I read online was a guy had a slightly newer iBook, a G4, like titanium or whatever, but what he did was he used a, alright, let's see, is this good now? He used an SD card, and an SD card to IDE adapter and replace the hard drive that way. And it probably, I bet it was much faster, but just crazy. All right, here we go. Installing the software requires 4.7 gigs of space. Wow, you have like no room to do anything. But I'm gonna guess that because this came with Mac OS 9, that didn't take up much space at all. All right, let's go ahead and click continue here. Click install to perform a basic installation of the software package on the volume. Oh, you can customize. Oh, look at the language translations. Oh, I don't need all that. No, I don't need that. Additional fonts, that's fine. Printer drivers? I don't think I'll need that, but whatever, we'll leave that. What is this X11? What is that? Who knows? Easy install. No, okay, yeah, let me just take that out. Okay, we're not doing the language, because we don't need that. Okay, so now it only needs 3.6. Let's go ahead and press install. Preparing for installation. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is gonna take forever, but I don't care. Oh, it's beautiful, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, Firewire, thank you, God. Installing printer drivers was probably a mistake. This probably would have been done already. I mean, I don't think I'll ever connect a printer to this, but oh well. 4 more minutes, I guess. Oh my god, it rebooted. Oh. Do we have Tiger? Alright, it's thinking about it. Yes. Do. So excited. Our first boot into Tiger. It only took like 18 years to update this thing, you know. Well, technically, when did Tiger come out? That came out in 2005, maybe? So, yeah, like 13 years? But yeah, this was on macOS 9.1, probably for its entire life. Never got OS 10. But I can see why. If the CD drive just stopped working, then you're kind of screwed, because it doesn't boot from USB. And the only other option is Firewire it, or buy a new CD drive and have someone put it in, or put it in yourself, and I'm not even going to show you how much of a pain it is to do that. Oh, we have life. Alright. One thing I'm wondering, does it have that welcome screen like the other versions do? Starting Mac OS 10. It's a little spinny beach ball. Oh man, this is taking a hot minute. Oh god, this is so long. And now we're to the welcome screen. It's beautiful. So yes, we're in the United States. Enjoy your Apple computer and don't forget to register. Alright. Oh man, oh man. We're gonna come up to our OS X desktop in just a moment here, I believe. Hopefully. She's so excited. And I still have the Firewire connected here. There's our aqua background. There's our dock. Oh man. Loading everything up here. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, and there's the little DVD. But we don't need it anymore. Let's see. It's popping up our preview here. Welcome to Tiger. 32 pages. Oh man. She gonna be slow. She ran real good on macOS 9. Alright. Oh yeah. She's not liking this. Okay. Oh man. Oh, we have a little grabber. Alright, next. Next. You have 2005. Puts power at your fingertips with Spotlight searching, dashboard widgets, custom web news, and 4-way web conferencing. Oh my god. Wow, the FaceTime of 2005. Too bad this doesn't have a webcam. Spotlight. Find anything on your computer as quickly as you can. Search your entire system from anywhere to find documents, email, contacts, calendars, music, movies, photos, bookmarks, and applications. Organized results. You can customize Spotlight, so that's kind of cool. Spotlight everywhere. Okay. Type a few letters. Oh, in the search bar in the Finder. Okay. Type a few letters or words in your system preferences to find preferences, and I use that all the time still. Finding documents, and you still have your little widgets here, and this is, I think, when the widgets first came. So let's see. Oh, check them out. So you got a calculator, clock, and God knows what that is, and that's gonna be weather, but it's not gonna load up until I have internet, so. Oh man, this thing is slow. Okay, we got a calendar, so it's a calendar. Okay. Let's see here. It tells us how to expand our dashboard and add and customize our widgets. The iChat, AV. Oh man, audio chats, instant messaging, Safari RSS, display PDFs, mail, instant searching, calendar, .mac sync, QuickTime 7. It works with Windows. That's crazy. All right, so let's take a look at About This Mac. Just because. So it is now running version 10.4. Oh man, I have to update this thing because it's on the very first version. 500 megahertz Power PCG3, 256 megabytes of SD RAM. Yeah, let me not forget that. Anyway, Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this baby updated and connected to Ethernet somehow and figure out how to do this, but I'm just very excited, so I'll be back.